Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings dashboard, where you can configure all aspects of your browser. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left panel. You'll notice several categories listed there that organize different types of settings. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is important because it controls how Brave handles permissions for websites, including access to your microphone and other hardware features. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Site and Shield Settings. Click on it. This area specifically manages what individual websites are allowed to do when you visit them, such as using your camera, microphone, or showing notifications. It's the control center for site-specific permissions. Next, you'll see an option for microphone. Click on it to access the microphone-specific settings. This is where Brave manages which websites can request microphone access and which microphone device your browser should use by default. Here's the crucial part. You'll see a section labeled Microphone with a drop-down menu directly below it. Click on that drop-down menu and you'll see a list of available microphone devices connected to your computer. Select your preferred microphone from this list. This step is essential because if the wrong microphone is selected or if no microphone is set, websites won't be able to access your audio input even if they have permission. Finally, make sure the option that says Sites can ask to use your microphone is enabled. This setting allows websites to request microphone access when needed. Without this enabled, websites won't even be able to prompt you for microphone permission, which means your microphone simply won't work on any site. And that's it. You've successfully configured your microphone settings in Brave browser, and websites should now be able to request and use your microphone properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.